Hi, it's Ms.M. Today I'll be showing you an easy and fun way to make your own prints at home. You'll need styrofoam, a paintbrush, paint, a pencil or a pen, and scissors. Start by cutting your styrofoam into a rectangle. You might need an adult to help you with this step. That's okay. There are certain things that we need a little more help with until we get a little bit bigger. Once you have your rectangle, you can start sketching. Take your pencil and lightly sketch what you want to have on your print. I am sketching a heart. Once I'm happy with it, I'm going to go back with my pencil and start carving into the styrofoam. I'm pressing down really hard. I am almost carving all the way through the styrofoam. You might need to go over your drawing several times. Rarely is anything perfect the first time we do it. So we just have to keep trying and keep improving. Oops, my pencil broke. Sometimes things don't go as planned. And you need to have a backup. We just take a deep breath and keep going. Have you ever made a plan that didn't go quite right? Maybe something didn't go the way you planned, or something you could have not even predicted came up. Hiccups will always happen. It's how we respond to them that matters. Now let's get our paint ready. Pour out the color of paint you want for your print. I'm using red. Take your paintbrush and start applying paint all over. Depending how big your rectangle is, you might need more paint. Try to get a nice even layer. Once you are done, lay the styrofoam on your table gently. Take a white piece of paper and place it down onto the styrofoam. Apply even pressure. Now slowly peel the paper back. And you have your print. Good job!